What's up, guys? So welcome to another video. Today is Wednesday, Valentine's Day, February 14th. So hopefully you guys are having a great Valentine's Day. If not, go out and get some stuff done. All right, we have a banner now in the warehouse, and thank God, because we didn't have any branding in here. So actually it was gonna be like a bunch of different items that we're gonna get printed, and we got them here, and that's the only one that arrived without any issue. So this is what's gonna be here from now on. And came out nice, good size, great material. But I wish we had, like, we have an exterior banner for the fence. We have a floor rug or a floor outdoor rug, so when people come in, and we also have a flag. So the flag is basically outside, and it's gonna be waving around in the wind, which will look super cool for our customers when they pull up, and they'll be able to identify us much quicker. So yeah, guys, let's get to work. We have 3 jobs today. All right, so, okay, guys, if you're having issues with dating or like girls or women, or your life's just kind of fucked up, I gave this advice to one of my friends, which was like, go clean your room and get your house organized, organize your socks, organize your underwear, get your room right. And once your room's right, you're gonna be more successful. That was the advice. Well, that was this last weekend, and today he now has a date. So I don't know if it's fate or it's because he organized his underwear, but his room is organized, and he happened to go on a date now. So he's going on a date on Valentine's Day. So proud of that dude. And hopefully he's not single forever, because he's been single since I've known him. So yeah, that's my advice. If your house is messed up, go and clean it, and then you'll see things will start looking better over time. But keep it up, guys, keep it up. That's my advice for today. Get your underwear good, organized. All right, guys, today we're doing a 2014 Nissan Altima. The customer went with our carbon, 20% in the back, 35% in the front. So let's go ahead and go over and print it out. Okay, guys, so what I like to do to make my job much easier when I'm shrinking is to basically use a towel over and over again, like the same microfiber for years if you like. And I make sure there's no dirt on the glass, and I now apply a thick layer of soap. This helps when you're shrinking, make the film feel much easier to work with. And the thicker the coat, the better. You don't want it dripping. A lot of guys mess up on this step because they leave it to drip, and it's not good. Just, you want it to be dry. So give it like 5 to 10 minutes and work on the rest of the car. And then once it's fully dried, then we lay it on. Okay, guys, next step. All right guys, so let's go ahead and get the back glass ready. So we already added the soap. Now it's time to add just one line across the middle and then lay it down. So just one, not dripping. And let it go. All right guys, so we are now done with this install. As you can see, we did a beautiful 20% carbon in the back, well technically 15, and a 30% on the driver and passenger. So this car is all done. We're gonna let it dry for like 10 to 15 minutes. I always like to let it sit and dry. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna go do some more work. But let me show you guys the warehouse. We haven't shown you guys in a while. Okay, so we're currently working on getting new racks here, and I'm selling one of these cabinets. So we're gonna have essentially 3 racks, one of our cabinets in the corner, and then we're gonna have probably our standing desks over here in the corner. So just trying to minimize the amount of space or maximize the amount of space we have and really organize these boxes a lot easier. That way it's easier to control inventory. But yeah, guys, that's it. This is our little workstation over here. So is that the end of the video? Oh, no? Oh, okay. So that's it, guys. Until the next car comes in, we're gonna do some computer work and start the next car when it comes in. That's basically it. All right.